All right, more news on the matter on the go for you. Let's take it to the northwest. Terror financing accused Ziyadh Hoorzook is applying for bail at the Lichtenburg Magistrate Court. That's in the northwest. You might remember the 35-year-old was arrested at his home in Johannesburg last week following a lengthy probe into suspicious transactions allegedly linked to terror financing. Those proceedings have now kicked off in court. Let's listen in.
And I had offered my full cooperation to the South African Police Services since the inception of this matter. I was arraigned before the Lichtenburg Magistrates Court for a first appearance on the 6th January 2025, and the matter was remanded for a formal bail application until 10 January 2025. I understand from a media statement issued by the state that my bail is opposed solely on the seriousness of the offence. Although this factor should not be a ground of opposition to bail, by a prosecutor acting rationally within the scope of his or her prosecutorial mandate, I interpret this basis of opposition to mean that there is no genuine basis for the opposition to bail. I intend pleading not guilty to the charges preferred against me, and I will deal with the merits of this matter to the best of my knowledge, despite having the disadvantage of a full docket disclosure. I take this Honourable Court into my confidence and upfront give this Honourable Court a preview of my defence at a subsequent trial. I do so to demonstrate that I have excellent prospects of an acquittal at trial, and this fact should set in motion my bid to convince this Honourable Court that exceptional circumstances are present to permit my release. It will become apparent that once I am able to separate the wheat from the chaff, it will be understood that this matter has been exaggerated and the state has misaligned me to a narrative which is factually untrue. I commence with the timeline of relevant factors. 13 November 2017, I had made payment to a purported charity organization, Al Sadaqah, in an amount of 11,500. 17 December 2017, Al Sadaqah joins Twitter. 16 January 2019, the Financial Intelligence Center, FIC, submits a certificate in terms of Section 39 of the Financial Intelligence Act 38 of 2001, confirming alleged terrorist financing activity report and suspicious activity report. 28 May 2019, a magistrate in Pretoria issues a subpoena to a financial services provider, Luno, to establish whether there is a basis to conduct investigations in terms of Poktatara. 25 June 2019, a platform Reddit purports to have an organization, Al Sadaqah, call for financial aid and weapons. July 2023, a criminal docket is open. 23 September 2024, ex parte application for search and seizure warrant. 3rd October 2024, search and seizure carried out by the South African Police Services and items seized. 2 January 2024, applicant collects seized items from Sentleeng SABC. Your Worship, my instructing attorney indicates that it ought to have been 2nd January 2025. The applicant collects seized items from Sentleeng SABC, and 3rd January 2025, the applicant was arrested. I now turn to the personal circumstances. I am an adult male with identity number 89041354588086. I am a South African citizen born on 13 April 1989. A copy of my identity document is attached here to Mark A. I was born in Pietermaritzburg in the KwaZulu-Natal province. At the age of 12, I moved to Durban, where I stayed until 2013. I matriculated in Durban from Orient Islamic School in 2006. I have a Bachelor of Commerce degree in Financial Management, which I obtained on 18 October 2012 from the University of South Africa, UNISA. A copy of my degree certificate is attached, marked P. I worked at Al Baraka Bank from approximately 2012 to 2013. I then moved to Lichtenburg, wherein I gained employment at a diamond mining concern. In or around 2020, I moved to Johannesburg for greener pastures. I am currently an independent contractor and I consult for Choice Aluminium and approximately earn 4,000 rand per month, 40,000 rand per month. My employment involves consulting services based on a commission structure. A copy of my appointment is attached here to marked C. I am married to Farnaz Dawood with identity number 9201110479-081 since 2015. I have no children born from the relationship. A copy of my wife's identity document is attached here to marked D. I reside at 137 First Road, the Ferns Complex, Unit 25, Lichtenburg Park, Sentleeng, Johannesburg. This address cannot be disputed as my fixed address, as it has been subject of applications for a search and seizure, and I had been arrested at this place of residence. I understand that for several months there had been surveillance on this address. I reside at the aforementioned address with my wife, who is fully dependent on me for financial support. Additionally, my elderly parents, my father, Muhammad Ziyadh Hoorzook, age 70, and my mother, Zubaydah Hoorzook, age 60.
Live visuals there from inside the Lichtenburg Magistrate's Court. 35-year-old Ziyadh Hoorzook is trying to apply for bail. He's a terror financing suspect who's been arrested and is trying to, of course, get out on bail while investigations continue.